Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this video, I am going to discuss about a stock which can act as a growth stock, as a dividend stock, as a futuristic stock, as a semiconductor stock, as an IT stock. Yes, and that is HCL Technologies. So in this video, I'll do the complete analysis of HCL Technologies right from the fundamentals to its technical side, price action side, and then I'll show you two articles which will help you to understand HCL Technologies slightly in a better way. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I will take you to the official website as always. So this is HCL Technologies. Okay, you can go through it in details. I'll share the link in the description section. Now we'll straight away go to the fundamental sites and first of all see its fundamentals and check the numbers, ratios, and see what is going on with the fundamentals of this company, and then I will go take you to the articles which I just mentioned. Okay, so coming to the fundamentals. Okay, HCL Technology, as we know, is a leading IT company in India with a market cap of massive 3,37,000 crore, as you can see here. Okay, let's quickly go to the peer comparison and see where HCL Technologies stand. Okay, so first of all, coming to the current price, it is 1244.45 HCL Technologies as of the date of recording, 29 September, Friday. Okay, as I mentioned, the market cap is 3,37,000. That's a massive one, and also it has a very good reserve of almost 65,000 crores and a small debt of 4,794 crores, which is very small in comparison to the market cap and the reserve. Okay, and that's why we are getting to see an excellent debt to equity ratio of 0.07. The interest coverage ratio is 53.94. This is also an excellent number. Return on asset is 16.08. This is again an excellent number, and return on equity is also 23. Again another excellent number. So all of these factors are clearly giving a not only good picture but an excellent picture of this company. Okay, now let's take a look at the other factor. So current ratio is 2.25. Okay, as you can see, it is better than even the top two companies in this category, which is TCS and Infosys. As we know that if a company is having current ratio more than 2, then it is excellent. Okay, it is very good, and it is having 2.25. I mean HCL Technology. So that's why it's a very good thing. Operating profit margin is 22.07. As you can see, it is at the third position in market cap, and also operating profit margin wise also it is at the third position, 22. We can see TCS is the leader at 26 and Infosys is at 24. Okay, but it is much better than the median, that is 19.65%. So that's a very good thing, and all the criteria are satisfied. Okay, right. Now coming to the promoter holding, promoters are holding 60.80% of this company. Okay, that's a very good thing. It is more than 50%, so criteria is fulfilled. PG ratio is 1.99, so it is saying that it is slightly overvalued. Okay, but that is fine. We are not going to judge a company based on that only. Okay, now coming to Oldman Z score, so it is 8.97, so almost 9. So we can say that there is very little chance of this company getting into solvency issues. Okay, as this is almost 9, and POC score is 8, and you can see this POC score. If you don't know what it is, you can just Google it, you will get to know. I'll give you a simple idea. It takes into account multiple fundamentals factors, okay, of the company, and gives us a number. Okay, the higher the better. Okay, 9 is the highest. Okay, and if a company is having more than 4 or 5, then we can call it's a good company. And as you can see here, HCL Technologies score is more than even TCS and Infosys as well. Okay, so that's a very good thing. Okay, so fundamentals wise, HCL Technologies is way better than the average companies, and it is, you can say, it is at a very good position fundamental wise as of now. Okay, and now let's come and check the profit and loss statement to see if it is growing year on year or not. So starting with 2012, we can see the sales were 20,800, then it went up to 25, 32, 36, 31. Here it dropped slightly, then 47, 50, 60, 70, 75, 85, 101, 104. So consistent growth we are getting to see from from the beginning only, except just 1 year it dropped, okay, slightly. And now coming to operating profit, that has also increased over the years. Here you can see it was 3,695 and now it is 23,000. Okay, so we'll focus on the last 3 years only. Okay, which will be 2022, 2023 and the TTM. Okay, trailing 12 months. So here we can see consistent growth in sales, consistent growth in operating profit, and also the operating profit margin has been steady. Okay, for the past 2 years it dropped slightly from 24 to 22%, but that is okay, right? Now let's go to the next factor, and it is one of the most important factors, that is the shareholding pattern. Okay, so here we are getting to see some interesting things. Okay, let me first show you. In June 2020, the promoters were holding 60.33% stake in this company, and now they are holding 60.82%. So the promoters have increased their stake in this company. Why? When does promoters do that? So they normally do it when they believe that that company is going to establish or develop something new, or launch a new product or service or anything, and the share price is going to appreciate. So that's why they accumulate more stocks, okay, of their own company, and that is always a positive sign, because the promoters themselves have faith and trust in their business, and that's why they are accumulating their own stock to get the maximum profit. Okay, and here we are getting to see the same. So the promoters have increased their stake. This is one of the rare things you get to see. We don't get to see that often. Okay, normally promoters decrease the take profit, and FIIs and DIIs increase the stake, but here promoters have increased. Okay, so it's a positive point. FIIs have slightly decreased their stake from 24.92% to 18.98%. So almost you can say 19. So almost 5% stake they have decreased, FIIs, but at the same time the DIIs have increased their stake from 10.62 to 15.33. So almost 4.5% increase in stake by DII. So it is balancing it. Okay, almost balancing it. Now we can see that the government is also holding some stake in this company. It was 0.04% in 2020 September, and now it is 0.02%. Okay, they have slightly decreased, but still they are holding stake in this company. So what is the overall outlook of HCL Technologies in terms of fundamental analysis? I would say it is simply excellent. It is very good. It is more than very good. It is excellent. Fundamentally, it is very strong, and it is having a massive market cap of more than 3 lakh crores. So it's a very safe company to invest in, because the promoters and DIIs, everyone is increasing their stake, and FIIs are also holding a majority stake in this company. So fundamental wise only itself, it's a very good company, and you can clearly straight away invest in it. But obviously we are not only going to decide our buying decision based on fundamentals, we will also check the price action, which is the most important thing. Okay, so if you are watching the video so far and you are liking the analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse. Now let's go to the price action. Okay, one more thing before going to the price action, as I said, I will mention about 2 articles. I will show you 2 links. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this company. Okay, Sankalp Semiconductor. So as you can see here, Sankalp Semiconductor is a part of HCL Technologies company. Okay, and it is into semiconductor manufacturing. Okay, right. So this is also giving HCL an added advantage, that it is into IT business, and also it is going to manufacture. It is already manufacturing semiconductors. Okay, which is, as you know, is an emerging market in India itself, and around the world also, but mostly in India, because India is going to manufacture, looking for opportunities to manufacture the semiconductor, the chips. Okay, that's why HCL Technology is involved in it. And Sankalp Semiconductor, you can note down the name and do your own research. Okay, and you can mention any important point in the comment section if you find about this company. Okay, so that was about Sankalp Semiconductor. Now one more article I want to show, that is the Money Controls article. You see, HCL Group weighs 300 million foray into India semiconductor space. Okay, this is an old article, obviously 19 July 2023, but we are getting a picture that HCL Technology is getting massively involved in the semiconductor business as well, along with the IT software business, right? So it's a very good thing, right? And one more point I missed out, I want to show you, that is here itself. So you can see that HCL Technology is giving a dividend yield of 3.86%. So this is a big number. Okay, so this company is a growth company, it's a dividend company. Okay, both. So you rarely get to see companies which are a combination of both. Okay, and generally these companies are good to hold, because they give share the profit with their shareholders in forms of dividend, and also by capital appreciation. So a double benefit. Okay, and mostly you get to see companies like Coal India and Vedanta giving very high dividend yield, but the growth is slow. Okay, and the companies which are very high growth companies, okay, like Pidilite Industries, Divi's Lab, and all these stocks, they do not give much dividend, very little, okay. But HCL Technologies is a combination of both, so it's a good factor, right? Now let's go to the this article where we left it. Yep. So it is into semiconductor business that we are getting that picture, right? Now let's go to the directly to the price action, okay. So this is HCL Technologies in monthly time frame, and first of all I want to show you its journey, okay. Since it has been listed around 2000 and the price was around 95, we can say 9500, okay, and now it is at 1200, so a decent gain, okay. And now it dropped to a low of around 377 during the COVID crash, and then went up to a high of around 1385. So it's a massive 265% appreciation after the lowest point of COVID crash, right? And then let's see by what percentage is corrected after this huge rally, okay. So I will use the fib retracement tool as always, and you can get to see some interesting things here. The correction did not go below the 0.5 level, okay. That's a very good factor. It is clearly telling that this big rally is still going to continue because the correction did not go below 0.5 level of fib retracement. And as you can see, after touching that, it immediately went up, and then it made this 0.618 level as its support, and then already started going up, right? So this is the monthly time frame. Now I also want to show you in terms of moving average, okay. So you can see here is the moving average, this is the monthly time frame, and we can see that HCL Technologies did correct up to this level, which is the 0.5 level, okay. This is the 0.6, 1 second please, let me just go back. Yes, this is the 0.5 level, okay. This correction, the maximum correction was up to 0.5 level, and this is 0.618 level, and now we can see that the 10 months moving average has gone above the 30 months moving average. So that clearly means that the stock is starting an uptrend rally, okay. And we should definitely make an entry right now, because as you can see, it has tested the 0.5 level, okay. It has made 0.618 level as a support, and now it is starting to go up. So what other confirmation we need? We do not need anything more, because the fundamentals are excellent. The price action is clearly telling that it is in strong uptrend, okay. But we'll go to the weekly time frame and to do a deeper analysis, okay. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame, okay. This is the weekly time frame, and as you can see, I am clearly able to draw a support resistance line here, and HCL Technologies was using this level as resistance earlier. It did try to break, but it's a fake breakout. It again got pulled back, again went up, and now finally it has made this level as support. This is 1150, and then a sharp uptrend, okay. And I believe the price action to show some movement like this, and then again start going up. So I'd say that in this phase, when it is correcting slightly or giving slight pullback, you should definitely make an entry and should not miss out on this stock. This is one of the stocks which you can hold for a very long time, okay. It is safe. If you are looking for a safe company to stay, to stay invested for at least 5 years or even 10 years or even more, then this is one of the companies, and the current price action is giving you an opportunity for investment. So do not miss that out, okay. Make an entry, and as you can see, the fundamentals are strong, and it is into emerging business. It is already an established player in IT sector, so all the factors are positive, so nothing to worry at all. So that's all about HCL Technologies. The key takeaway is that it's a fundamentally strong company, it's a dividend company, it is into emerging business, okay. It is a futuristic company, and the price action is supporting the current entry, right? So make the best use of this opportunity. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such informative videos, and don't forget to check the other videos in my playlist. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.